Okay, today let's talk about hazard. Hazard, a signal that prevents accidents. Because hazard indicates that you're in danger or you're in trouble. Or when your hands are full, it's a good it's a good way to it's good to use hazard. Example, you see this red car. When this car got flat in the middle of the road or got damaged, first you use hazard to indicate other road users that you're in trouble. And if you don't want your battery to get low bat, use early warning device to save energy for 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 maintenance, so mechanics that do not charge for battery repairs. So another one is this: when you're too busy or your hands are full, it's better to park on the side of the walkway. Use hazard and do your business. Like calling, calling a friend or some uncomfortable situations like arguing. It's better to when you argue with some passengers or with your wife, with your friends inside the car. It's better to park in the side. You talk because being angry while driving is bad for other users. It's a form of distraction. It distract you on the path you are driving. So that's a good way to use hazard. Arguing, calling inside of the car when you're uncomfortable driving, you want some adjustments. That's only what I'm saying. Also, this this kind of scene or scenarios you encounter when driving, you see on the road. When this happens, drivers are the one got hit or some kind of scenario. Normally, they will argue. So it's better to speak to them to use hazard or put early warning device to prevent further accident for some road users or to lessen the problem, because drivers encountering these accidents are in a panic or some kind of problems or the mind's jumbled. Better to advise to use hazard early warning device. Example, when your when your car suddenly overheat on the middle of the road with no shoulders, just the road sign is no overtaking line on two-way, double solid line. That's the good way to use early warning device, because it's only one way. You imagine it as when you drive, no, you look in front of you, you see you see a car in problem, or driver in problem of overheating. If you see them not putting early warning device or using hazard, you must advise them to prevent further damage, because some road users are driving fast, so might hit it to not oh, what is that, to not worsen the problem. That's what I'm saying. Also, early warning devices. Early warning device is a form of hazard. It's it's for your own safety to what's that to what's that to own safety if more problems occur. Example, if you do not use early warning device, overheating and a car hit you, it's your problem, because it's the rules of the road. You you must talk it through with the person hitting you. That's what I'm saying. It's it's for your own safety, hazard and early warning device. That's all I'm saying. And if you have any comments, please write it down on the comments, and thank you. See you on the next video, and I hope this gives you some idea to prevent further accidents or worsen your problems. Thank you again.